$4 billion in the beverage industry. Now, this is the biggest deal everybody knows about, vitamin water. Okay? Now, vitamin water was very interesting. And when you actually read the book, you'll be able to see how Chris Light had a colleague that was a marketing guy for vitamin water. So what they did was they did a product placement of vitamin water in 50 Cent's hands to get the attention of the executive who would buy it, offer 50 an endorsement deal, 50 wanted equity, and when you read the book, he'll say, well, I was asking, do you offer stock options to your employees? Well, I don't want to be compensated in cash, I want to be compensated in stock, because I know that I can do a lot for that. So I saw trucks like these at the tour. This was the Anger Management 3 tour with Eminem, 2005. It's like a convertible truck, and they were giving out 8 ounces of vitamin water. There was also something very interesting he was doing. He was doing gamification, but that's in another slide. So, vitamin water, though, is not the only beverage deal he did. He also had energy drink.